Using Zelle transaction history is an essential tool for managing your finances effectively. To start, Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account. The transaction history feature provides a record of all your Zelle transactions, including the date, time, amount, and recipient or sender information. Understanding your Zelle transaction history is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you keep track of your spending and income, allowing you to budget and plan your finances better. By reviewing your transaction history, you can identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and make adjustments to achieve your financial goals. Another important reason to use Zelle transaction history is to detect any suspicious or unauthorized transactions. By regularly monitoring your transaction history, you can quickly identify any unusual activity and take action to prevent further unauthorized transactions. This helps to protect your account and prevent potential financial losses. To access your Zelle transaction history, you can log into your Zelle account or check your bank statement. Most banks and credit unions also offer mobile banking apps that allow you to view your transaction history on the go. Once you have access to your transaction history, you can filter and sort your transactions by date, amount, and recipient or sender information, making it easier to review and analyze your transactions. In practical terms, using Zelle transaction history can help you avoid overdrafts and late payment fees by keeping track of your account balance and ensuring that you have sufficient funds for upcoming transactions. It can also help you reconcile your account statements and identify any discrepancies or errors. Best practices for using Zelle transaction history include regularly reviewing your transaction history, setting up account alerts for large or suspicious transactions, and keeping your account information up to date. By following these best practices, you can use Zelle transaction history to manage your finances effectively, prevent unauthorized transactions, and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, using Zelle transaction history is a simple yet effective way to manage your finances, prevent unauthorized transactions, and achieve your financial goals. By understanding the importance of Zelle transaction history and following best practices, you can take control of your finances and make informed decisions about your money.